Let me show you a secret about how to make the best keto stir-fry sauce. My mom always wanted us to eat stir-fry growing up, and I wanted to recreate that keto style on my own terms. Let me show you how. Let's make a stir-fry sauce for those keto rebels that you're absolutely going to enjoy. We're going to take some chicken broth, some soy sauce, some fish sauce, some white vinegar, my friend, the Swerve brown sugar, and some xanthan gum, and let's mix it on in. To a dish, let's add in our chicken broth and our soy, our fish sauce, white vinegar, our Swerve brown sugar, and a little bit of xanthan gum, and let's give this a little mix. Now that your stir-fry sauce is mixed up, set it aside and let's start the chicken. My Spaceman knife, this is the Titan Series Chef knife. This is amazing. You guys need to check out Spaceman knives. Let's prepare our chicken. We're gonna slice our chicken breast in half and cube her on up. We're gonna add our chicken to a dish. And I have some almond flour. We're gonna sprinkle that right on in, give her a mix, and coat her up. Let's prepare our veggies. I have an onion, some broccoli, bell pepper, some ginger, and some garlic. Let's chop her on up and get it ready. Let's also do half of this yellow bell pepper here, and we're gonna do half of the red bell pepper. Growing up, everybody, I hated bell peppers. They were disgusting to me. My mom used to try to make me eat these, and I just, they were not my thing. But now living the keto life, I absolutely love them. Can you relate? Let's get those broccoli florets happening here. I got about a head of broccoli. Love this. Let's mince up some goodies here. I have some garlic cloves and a little bit of ginger root. Let's put it on our Pampered Chef little tool here and just mince her on up. This is my saving grace. Spray this bad boy with oil. We're gonna add in our veggies here. Let's get these cooking.
Hey, do you remember where we picked up those orange trays from?
Of course I do. We got these trays from Walmart. Get yours today. I'm gonna add in our minced garlic and our minced ginger that I smell. Let's add that right on in for flavor. Chicken goes on. Let's add some salt, pepper, garlic, onion to our chicken. Throwing in that Asian inspired onto our vegetables. Don't forget your orange trays. I'm gonna pull off these veggies. These are done. This is a great brand, Green Giant. Chicken is done. Let's reintroduce our veggies back in, mix it up with our chicken. Throw our tray. After all, we're keto rebels, aren't we? Use your stir fry sauce and mix in now. Guys, our fantastic stir fry is ready. Let's plate it up and get to eating. All right, guys, let's give this a try, and remember, may the 4th be with you. Everybody dance.